Hello, my name is Filip Granek and I'm the founder and the CEO of XTPL. We are a nanotechnology company based in Wrocław in Poland, focused on development and commercialization of a groundbreaking technology for ultra-precise printing of nanomaterials. We are actually printing structures which are 100 times smaller than the width of the human hair. And with our technology it will be possible to make further advancements in modern microelectronics, flat panel display and semiconductor industries. You are very welcome to meet our innovation and our team. The heart of the XTPL technology is the innovative printing head designed by our company specialists. High-performance nano inks manufactured by XTPL exhibit unique physiochemical properties that allow obtaining desired parameters of conductive structures. The solution developed by XTPL will be used for the rapid prototyping and industrial production of semiconductors, flat panel displays and microelectronic devices.
My name is Jacek Olszański and I am a CFO at XTPL. This project is a key to XTPL's growth. With the sales of printers and nano inks as the key revenue streams, we aim to multiply our turnover, win new customers and strengthen our international competitiveness. We have the team that is ready to pursue this challenge.
I'm really proud of the XTPL team. Such a complex and ambitious project requires interdisciplinary experience. Among our team members we have physicists, chemists, software and electronics engineers, specialists in material science and in numerical simulations.
My name is Aneta Wiatrowska. I'm a technology director at XTPL. Our goal is to develop and commercialize second-generation Delta printer, a fully automated printing system with ultra-precise deposition technology and XTPL conductive inks for rapid prototyping applications. We aim to use the EIC funding to take the Delta printer from the current advanced prototype stage, which is here, to the stage of the fully automated and validated printer ready for rapid market deployment.
Particularly promising is the revolutionary application of the XTPL technology in the sector of yield management. That means repairing extremely fine broken metallic structures of modern customer electronic components. We are confident that we are fully capable of implementing this ambitious project. We have passion, skills and energy to succeed. Our technology will soon contribute to a global technological revolution and in fact change the rules of the game in the modern microelectronic industry. By investing in us, you will contribute to shaping of the European nano future. Thank you for your attention.